In this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with HubSpot. In order to do that, you need to first head over to your homepage, and you can see right here this store icon. Proceed to click on this and click on Marketplace in order to install applications such as Asana right here. So for this case, let's just wait for this. Now once you're in there, proceed to click on this search right there and search for Asana. Now, in here, you can see this Asana up by HubSpot. Make sure to choose right here this one or this one from Asana themselves. So just choose which one you want to actually add. I'll head over and choose the other option. Don't worry because they are both HubSpot certified applications. From this, click on install. And in there, this will direct you to the asana.com/app/HubSpot. So you may be prompted as well to actually log in and install. So click on this install option. Once you have done that, this will install this platform into your HubSpot. So wait for this. Once you have it ready, you will have it connected. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.